friends to speak freely. So let's get started today's lesson. I love to being alone. मुझे अकेले रहना बहुत पसंद है. I love to being alone. I'm getting off the phone now. अब मैं फ़ोन रख रही हूँ. I'm getting off the phone now. Are you a mentally sound person? तुम्हारा दिमाग तो ठीक है ना? Are you a mentally sound person? Don't make me say it. मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाओ. Don't make me say it. What happened to your leg? ये तुम्हारे पैर को क्या हुआ? What happened to your leg? The landlord has the rent up again. मकानदार ने फिर से किराया बढ़ा दिया. The landlord has the rent up again. It seems like you don't eat much. लगता है कुछ खाते नहीं हैं. It seems like you don't eat much. What will you have for breakfast? नाश्ते में क्या लेंगी? What will you have for breakfast? You started again. तुम फिर शुरू हो गई. You started again. This is the definition of beauty. इसे कहते हैं खूबसूरती. This is the definition of beauty. He doesn't eat well. ये खाना ठीक से नहीं खाता. He doesn't eat well. Don't be shy to speak in English. इंग्लिश में बात करने से शर्माइए मत. Don't be shy to speak in English. You are all one and the same. तुम सब एक जैसे हो. You are all one and the same. She is from my locality. मेरे ही इलाके में रहती है. She is from my locality. You have become so thin. कितनी पतली हो गई हो. You have become so thin. Why are you stopping here? यहाँ क्यों रुक रहे हो? Why are you stopping here? Actually, I haven't thought about it yet. दरअसल मैंने इसके बारे में अभी तक सोचा नहीं है. Actually, I haven't thought about it yet. He is my sworn enemy. वो मेरा जानी दुश्मन है. He is my sworn enemy. I have other work also to do. मुझे और भी काम है. I have other work also to do. He is compelled by his habit. वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है. He is compelled by his habit. Have I ever refused you? मैंने आपको कभी मना किया है. Have I ever refused you? Whether you love me or not, I love you. तुम मुझे चाहो या ना चाहो, मैं तुम्हें चाहती हूँ. Whether you love me or not, I love you. You know nothing but weep. तुम्हें रोने के अलावा कुछ नहीं आता. You know nothing but weep. What do you think I am? तुम्हारे ख्याल में मैं कौन हूँ? What do you think I am? He is fond of flirting. इसे दिल लगी करने का शौक़ है. He is fond of flirting. He seems to have lost the way. लगता है वो रास्ता भूल गया है. He seems to have lost the way. Do you work or read? क्या तुम पढ़ते हो या काम करते हो? Do you work or read? You speak as if you know everything. तुम तो ऐसे बोलते हो जैसे तुम्हें सब कुछ मालूम है. You speak as if you know everything. Don't take long. देर मत करना. Don't take long. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.